Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, we'll see the solution for how to send a long video in WhatsApp. For example, I'll show you on my WhatsApp when I try to send a long video. For example, I'll just find the attachment, I'll open the gallery. See, from my gallery, I am I have a video which is very long. See here, see, this particular video which I have on my mobile is too long and it is only taking 9 minutes and 45 seconds. The remaining video, it is just trimming it. So how we can send this whole long video on WhatsApp? Yes, there is a solution for this. I'll close this. Instead of using this option, what I'll do is I'll just upload this video as a document. I received many comments asking me like how we can send a video which is 3 minutes and long, which is 5 minutes and long. And now I'm going to send a very large file which is almost 1 hour long video. And I'll just select this attachment symbol here and then click on document. So this file is 420 MB video. See here, .mp4. I'm selecting this and I'm clicking on send. So this particular file will be delivered as a document file for the other person. And see here, 463 MB, this is the mp4 file. So this is the file will be sent as a document, the other person will receive as a document and they can download afterwards. So they can play this video. Actually, once they receive, when they click on this gets internally downloaded, means processed, then they can view this video on their WhatsApp. This is how we can send long files on WhatsApp. If you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to others so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.